What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy over here, about to do an unboxing. I received the package yesterday. Been a couple months. You know, November 22nd, Tekken Hybrid Limited Edition came out, which this is all over on YouTube. So you guys already know what's in here. This is not what I'm unboxing. I had this already since it came out, but this bad boy I just got. I finally made up my mind, and surprisingly they had a couple left, so I got my hands on this bad boy, the Tekken Hybrid Fight Stick. Isn't that right, Jagglebird? Isn't that right? Alright. Okay. Now, what's so special about this is there was only 1,000 made, and I'm happy to say that I'm one of those 1,000. And when I did buy Tekken Hybrid, I did regret not buying the Fight Stick. I thought they were sold out, but they weren't. Thank God. I guess I got lucky on that. I received this yesterday, but I wanted to wait till today so I could do an unboxing for everybody. There ain't too many unboxings on this item. There's only a couple guys on YouTube that did this, so I had to do this. Alright. Plain black box, it looks like. What the heck is this thing? Okay, that's nothing. This is my receipt. This is my receipt because you can only get this from clubnamco.com. Now, for the final grand finale, I gotta open this really easy here. This thing is very rare, so I probably won't be playing this. But I probably will. Who cares, right?